Alright, let's go through the question 5b part 2. So we are asked to find the set of values of C, right, for which the F inverse exists. So meaning that it must be a one-to-one function. Okay, so for this question, we will need to do a bit of observation. So if you look at this coordinate x, 2, 5, right? So actually, if let's just say my value of C is at 2, so means how will the so-called piecewise function looks like? It will look something to be as such. So for example, is the first piece will be like that. So this is the first piece. So the second piece will be in this form. So definitely this one is a one-to-one function. Because why? Because if I draw any horizontal line y go to k, right, it will only cut the fx at most 1. Okay, what about, let's just say I use another counter example. For example, let's just say I use 3, x equal to 3, right? So at point x equal to 3, right, if I sub into the first piece, I will get 6.75. I sub in the value of 3 into the second piece, I will get about 5.5. So this around 5.5. So 3, 5.5. So you can see actually it's a discontinuous function. So meaning if I want to sketch, right, so it's about something to be as such. So it's like that. And then of course this is the first piece, the second piece will be something right here, something like that. So of course by one look you can see actually it's not a one-to-one function, because if I draw like a horizontal line at a specific point, let's just say y equal to 5.5 for example, so you can see actually I cut at 2 points, so cannot be a one-to-one function, meaning that there's no inverse to be exist lah. Okay, then if I look at a specific point, let's just say I use another point. So for example, maybe I use coordinate x to be 1. So this is 1, right? So if I put 1 here, I put 1 here. So definitely it's a discontinuous function as well. So 1, so I sub in the first piece, right? So I will get something to be 11 times 1 over 4, about 2 point, this one is 2.75. Then of course I sub into the second piece, you will get about 4.5. So this 4.5. So it's a discontinuous function. If I sketch, you will actually get something to be as such. So for example, I erase this first. So I get like that. So this is the first piece. The second piece will be right here. Yeah. Okay. So definitely it's a one-to-one function, because if you draw a horizontal line, it will cut the graph at most once. So it means that the set of values of C, right, must be from 0 all the way to 2. The 2 must be inclusive. The 0 cannot be inclusive because of this condition that they provide us right here. Also the C, the set of values of C, right, because it's a set of values, so of course maybe I just write like that. C is an element of all real values such that C is less or equal to 2, strictly more than 0. So that will be the set of values of C, which F inverse exists.